This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by shutting off the water and releasing pressure. Drain the hose so repairs are safe and clean. Inspect the metal tube and fittings closely to find pinholes, stretched braiding, or a damaged coupling, because the fix depends on the exact failure. Once located, trim past any crushed or corroded section with a pipe cutter, making a square clean cut. Make sure to have replacement ferrules and stainless clamps ready to avoid repeating the problem. You now focus on the middle repair, replacing the coupling and securing the braid. Slide a replacement ferrule, then the metal coupling onto the hose, ensuring the braid sits flush. Crimp the ferrule or tighten the coupling per manufacturer torque to compress the braid and seal the joint. Once assembled, wrap the threaded section with seal tape to prevent seepage. Then reconnect to the spigot briefly and pressurize to check for steady flow and no drips, because early testing saves repeated disassembly. You finish by trimming any stray braid wires and slipping on a clamp sleeve for extra protection. This prevents future snags and wear at the junction. Turn on full pressure water and run for 2 to 5 minutes while watching the repaired area for hairline leaks or seepage. If it holds, you're done. If the patch shows persistent leakage or the metal is brittle, replace the entire section or the hose. Temporary fixes fail when the substrate is compromised, so swap it out to avoid water damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.